Tokyo Ninja.
Some of the videos you watch seems to take forever to learn, but this video will show you the simplest way to use them right away. It's gonna be only 3 steps. By the way, I'm Japanese, so I'm pretty sure I'm using chopsticks right. I hope this video will help you some way. Now let's start. Place the first chopstick between thumb and index finger so that about an inch of it sticks out beyond your hand, and rest it against the side at the end of your ring finger, like this. Then just lay your thumb over this chopstick just to hold it in place. If you're holding the bottom stick correctly, your index finger and the top joint of your thumb are free to move. Now, place the second chopstick, which would be the top stick between your index finger and thumb. Rest it on your middle finger, like this. The point is to put your middle finger slightly under the top stick, while your index finger is on the top. Index and middle fingers do all lifting with the top chopstick. Your thumb should be completely straight and the bottom chopstick doesn't move. Before going to restaurants and using chopsticks, you better practice at home with something in your fridge like roasted walnuts or grapes. If you don't have chopsticks at home, you can always practice with 2 pens and grab something around your desk. Please practice these 3 steps you just learned in this video and master the right way to use chopsticks.